नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आज आपण मॉडर्न पिरियडिक लॉ पाहणार आहोत. द सायंटिस्ट which his name is Henry Moseley have developed this modern periodic table. During the working of X-ray tube, he found the basic characters like physical and chemical characters of elements each depends upon its atomic number. So he can make the basic criteria of classification of element each atomic number. Instead of atomic mass, atomic number is a base criteria of modern periodic tables classification. And the rule which Henry Moseley stated that the properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic numbers. You know what is mean by atomic number. We have learned in the previous standard that the atomic numbers of element is that means the number of proton or electron present in the atom of element is called its atomic number, and the characteristics of elements are depends upon its atomic number. So in the modern periodic table, the criteria is basic criteria is atomic number. Modern periodic table, this modern periodic table is called as a long form of periodic table because in this table the arrangement of elements are in their increasing order of their atomic mass, and some elements which have no particular physical and chemical properties can be decided due to its position of the modern periodic table. So all the elements can be placed in the modern periodic table. The drawbacks of Mendeleev periodic table also removed because some drawbacks are overcome on Mendeleev's periodic table. So this periodic table is called as a long form of periodic table because all the elements can be placed in it, and the electronic configuration is a most important part of the placement of the elements in the modern periodic table. That is, the arrangement or the position of elements in the groups as well as periods are depend upon its electronic configuration. Do you know the electronic configuration? What is mean by electronic configuration? The distribution of electrons into various shell of atom is called as a electronic configuration. So structure of the modern periodic table. Structure means rachna. The modern periodic table has 7 horizontal rows. This rows is called as a period, and the 18 vertical columns. These columns is called as a groups, and the number of groups is 1 to 18, and the arrangement of period and groups results a box in the periodic table. And the 7 rows, 2 rows are shown at the bottom separately. Instead of this 7 period, 2 rows are indicated or shown separately at the bottom of periodic table. This is called as a lanthanide series and actinide series elements. And in the periodic table, there are 118 box. That means 118 elements were placed or discovered at that time. The classification of the 118 elements are also classified into four groups, that is groups, that is S block, P block, D block and F block. The S block element contains group 1 and 2, and group 13 to 18 continues to P block, and the group 3 contains 3 to 12 rows, and lastly at the bottom actinide and lanthanide series element contains F block elements. The D block elements. D block elements are called as a transition element. SPDF. These are the four groups in the modern periodic table, and the three traditional types of elements can be clearly shown in the modern periodic table: metal, non-metal and metalloid. The metalloid elements lie along the border of zigzag line. Zigzag lines can be shown in the middle periodic table. The zigzag lines separate the metal as well, metal and non-metal. Modern periodic table and electronic configuration. There is a correlation or in between the electronic configuration of element. Electronic configuration is the basic criteria of the placement of element. The electronic configuration decides what decides electronic configuration decides the which group and the period in which it is be placed. The placement of element is decided by its electronic configuration. Groups and electronic configuration. Groups, that is, we will find the concept valence electron. What is meant by valence electron? The number of electrons present in the outermost shell of atom is called as a valence electron. And look at this here. Valence electron to be the same in the group. The valence electron is in all the element containing in a same group have a valence electron is similar. Means you have seen here. Here is a first group, second group, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium. They have valence electron is 1, lithium also 1, sodium also 1, outermost shell valence electron. So the in group the valence electrons are same, and when we are going to top to bottom of any group, electronic shell get added at time. Electronic configuration of the outermost shell is characterized of particular group. We go down a group, the number of shell going increasing. Number of shell going increasing means here is hydrogen is 1 shell, lithium 2 shell. First shell containing 2 electron, other containing 1 electron, 2 electron. Like that, the shell is increasing, but outermost electron is similar. Look at this modern periodic table. Here is a S block element, 1 to 2 groups. Group 1 to 2, S block element. D block element, group 3 to 12, D block. P block 13 to 17. 18 is called P block, and F block element at the bottom, lanthanide and actinide series called as a F block element. Period and electronic configuration. what is the correlation between periods and electronic configuration? Look at here. Here is first period, hydrogen and helium. Second period, lithium to neon. Look here, you find that the number of valence electron in different element, the number of cell is same. Here is a one electron, valence electron, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you have seen in period, the valence electron also increase by 1 at the time. The valence electron is increasing from left to right. And the holding capacity of electron, there is some formula. The formula of holding capacity of electron is 2n square. There is first K shell, L shell, M and N. N is the shell number 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have placed the value of N. N is a, then you have known the capacity of electron capacity you have decided from this type. The chemical reactivity of elements is determined by the number of valence electron in it. Shell number of valence shell. Electron reactivity means chemical reactivity is depends upon the valence electron. If the valence electron is less, then the reactivity is also high. Periodic trends in the modern periodic table, we have learned this after second